Hi there, today in this session I will introduce you all with Java as a programming language. Java is a programming language and a platform which is a high-level, robust, object-oriented and secure programming language. It is a computing platform first released by Sun Microsystem in it and created by a team led by James Gosling. Java helps in developing small application modules or applets for use as a part of web page. Along with it helps in developing the console application, web application, mobile application, client-server architectures and so on. Very important point, Java is a platform-independent language that follows the logic of write once and run anywhere. Any hardware or software environment in which a Java runs is known as a platform, and we need a Java runtime environment to run our Java. Once we compile the Java file into the .class file, that file can run anywhere. This is the history of Java. As I discussed, Java was first released by Sun Microsystem in yearly with the latest integration and updates coming after each iteration. Java was having their next iteration and released with the new features imbibed into them. After C, the Java Standard Edition came into the picture where we really didn't want it to install Dick and Ver separately. It comes as a one unit or a package. Before learning about Java as a programming language, a big question to understand why Java if we have more of a programming languages. As I said, the most powerful point to be discussed here is, Java is a platform independent as it follows the rule of write once and run anywhere. Whatever .class file gets generated from your .java file after the compilation. It is easy and simple to read as a programming language. The new developers can easily understand if they are not coming from any programming background, or they are very well versed with the basic programming like TIC or any other programming language. Java is pure object-oriented language because without writing a class you do not even write a main method. It's completely based on object-oriented approach. Helps in developing distributed, interpreted, robust and secure application. We call it as a portable programming language because you can write it once and run anywhere or everywhere. Provides a strong networking infrastructure for server-side computing, and also this implementation helps in developing the client-server architecture. Java is used in top mobiles. For example, Android uses Java for coding. Java has a very high range of libraries created through the modifications from the existing C libraries header files that we use to implement the iteration of different implementations. So this is how and why we are learning Java as a programming language. I'm super excited to teach you the programming and the practical aspects of this programming language. Hope to see you soon. Until next time, stay tuned. Thank you.